Good morning, internet. Lovely Monday morning, impromptu day off again. Nice. Anyway, so today we're going to catch up a bit on the Z550. I want to start getting the engine painted, but we're going to have to work on that broken off exhaust stud. So that's the plan for this morning. We're going to get straight on with that. My friend has lent me some taps and drills, so we can try and get that drilled out. I'm going to make a start on that now. I've got to leave the 600R alone, even though she's looking fine up the corner there. So yeah, let's crack on. So I don't know if you can see it there, but that's the offending item. It's a couple of millimeters down, so we've got a bit of a recess. I'm going to see if I can get a centre punch to get me a nice dot in the middle there to try and guide the drill in. We've got some really small drill bits. I'm just going to go very gently and see if we can't get that out. Okay. Don't know how much of that you can see. Just going slowly until I know that it's definitely in the screw. Oh yeah, can you see that? So that's a good start. I'm just going to continue with that now, and then we'll see if we can get a tap in it. An extractor to pull it out. Make sure I'm going at the right angle. My friend who said to me, if I can't get it out like this, it's going to be a drill it out completely and then put a helicoil insert in there. I'd rather not go down that route because it's going to delay things, so this is hopefully going to work. It's a good sharp drill he's lent me anyway. Let's have a look. That's good, it's bang up the middle. I think we're just going to try one of these first, just very gently. And this is what they're designed for, so I haven't really used them for anything. I bought them on a whim, I think. I don't know whether I can actually... You have to reuse them in reverse mode, don't you? But it's... And look at that, folks. As if by magic, eh? How cool is that? Brilliant. So that's thanks to my amazing friend Wayne and my very cheap 4-piece screw remover set, and we've got the bolt out. That's brilliant. I'm so pleased. Just going to run a bolt up it just to make sure it's see if there's any thread damage. Oh, it looks fine. Oh yeah. We're all happy with that. What a great little job. So now I can get on with prepping the engine ready for painting.